Hey you guys, it's Moonlander back with another unboxing with my second comic of the month box. So let's see what they sent us this time. I didn't change any of my preferences. Okay. Okay, and they sent a letter. Okay, they're starting a golden ticket thing. Each ticket holder will tour our facility and face an unexpected series of moral tests to see who will become the rightful owner of Comic of the Month Club. Wait, that's not right. Oh, it's just a joke. Okay. No, it just means there's more valuable comics in your box. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, the first one we have is The Gargoyle, number 4. Never heard of it. Okay, and then next we have Dark Delicacies, number 1. That looks kind of cool. Must be an independent publisher, IDW. Oh wow, look at this one. Midnight Massacre. Darkhold, Pages from the Book of Sin. And this is a Marvel comic. And yeah, it's just a black cover. That's really cool. Oh wow, this is neat. Midnight Suns, Darkhold. This one comes with a poster, it says. Okay, next we have Dark Kingdom from Image. Oh, this is cool. This is from 1970. Ripley's Believe It or Not. That's cool. Okay, and then we have another Ripley's Believe It or Not. It says they're true ghost stories. Those are cool. They're definitely worn, but alright, and next from DC we have Simon Dark. I haven't heard of him. Rips the lid off Gotham's underground. Okay, and then last we have another Simon Dark. Oh, I think that was a cool box. I think the golden ticket thing's a cool idea too. It just makes opening these a little more exciting. Okay, so I got 9. And they all look somewhat interesting. I think the Ripley's, believe it or not, are really cool. They're not in great shape, but yeah, they're not in good shape at all, but it's still cool to have them. And I'm really curious about Midnight Massacre one. That's a cool cover. It's just looks like a leather-bound book almost. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.